Come on, man, tell me you're joking. Seriously? Wow. I'm so glad that you can testify. Now you see that I wasn't bragging when I said we are the best, right? All right, thanks, man. We'll be in touch. You have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye. You see, people are testifying that we advertise with V&V Media Solutions Limited and we are seeing great results. So, what are you waiting for? Come and advertise with V&V Media Solutions Limited. Hey, man. Hi, man. Did you just say V&V Media Solutions Limited? Yeah. Why? I've been watching your videos on YouTube, the ads, you know, the documentaries, special programs. Really? Guys, you're doing great. I just want to say you're doing great. You know, keep up the good work. Thank you, man. I gotta go. Have a good day.